Итак, сегодня второй день. Мы направляемся в горы Актау и Катутау. Are you excited?
I can't wait, and it's another beautiful day here.
У нас новый гид сегодня. Куат, молодой. Вот, какие молодые кадры работают. Вернулся Башир и работает на благо Башир. We first visit Aktau Mountains, which looks like white mountain. So Aktau is from Kazakh language, it's a white mountain. Aktau.
Aktau?
It's a white mountain.
It reminds me of California and Utah, but there's always something a little different about each place. It's like it reminds me of something, but it's not quite the same. So that's what's making Kazakhstan unique. The best part for me was climbing up that mountain. It was a little steep, but the view was worth it.
But have you seen this side is a red and the other side is a white?
The colors are spectacular. I really hope more people will come here to check this out because it's really an easy trip from Almaty.
Yeah, and it's October, mid of October, and the weather is fantastic. We are staying in t-shirts.
We made it though.
Сезімді қайтейін, сезіне алмадым, жүректі қайтейін, өртендім жанбадым, көңілің сенбесе, қош болғың ендеше, адасқан арманым.